Welcome to Gelous nail art tutorials. Today for our Easter look we are going to be doing some matte nails using our newest gel polish colour, Speckled Egg. Using the curved side of the Gelous nail file, gently push back your cuticles. Using the fine side of the nail file your nails to the desired shape. Using the fine side of the nail file, gently buff the entire surface of each nail. Pay attention to the sides of the nail and make sure the whole nail appears dull from the buffing. Brush away the buffing dust with the Gelous dust brush. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of nail primer and leave to dry. Apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of clear builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked to the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 2 thin coats of Spilt Milk, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Speckled Egg and your thin nail art brush, paint a swirl along the tip of your nail and fill it in. You can also use your Speckled Egg Gelous brush to fill in the swirl. Cure for 30 seconds. Using blackout and your thin nail art brush, paint a thin outline around your swirl. Cure for 10 seconds. Using blackout and your thin nail art brush, thicken the outer edge of your swirl. Tidy the thinner lines if needed. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of matte top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.